Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to blur a video in CapCut on PC. Firstly, launch CapCut on your PC and click on Media in the top left. And import your video by selecting it from the files or dragging it into the workspace. Select the video clip in the timeline and go to Effects in the top left corner to open the Effects library. In Video Effects, under Basic category, find and select a blur effect such as Mosaic or Gaussian blur and drag it onto your video clip. Click on the Special Effects button on the video track to adjust the blur intensity, position, size and shape in the Settings panel on the right. You can preview the effect by playing the clip. If satisfied, export your video with the applied blur. This approach allows you to customize the blur effect, making it ideal for hiding sensitive information or focusing on specific parts of the video. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.